Hello, my name is Robert Craven, and I'm your instructor for this class for Statistics 535. Sometimes when students are entering this class, they'll say before they start, well, I've not done well in math in the past, and I'm a little bit anxious about taking this class. Let me just give you a few comments from other students who have taken this class from me. One student said, as a person who has always struggled with statistics, I was very pleased with the help that I received in the course. Another student said, this class was rigorous but not overwhelming. Workload was evenly distributed across the workshops and expanded my knowledge and abilities in the area of statistics. And finally, a third student stated, this class has been the most enjoyable class of the program. Let's take a quick look at the Learning Studio environment where the class is set up. First, let me direct your attention to the course Home tab on the left. If we click on the course information, we'll see the dates of the workshops. So for example, the first workshop starts on February 3rd, which is a Tuesday, and it goes until February 9th, the following Monday. So the end of the first workshop will be 11:59 p.m. on Monday the 9th. So all of your work will need to be submitted by that time. Now let's look at the tab IWU Resources. I'm clicking on the link and there's APA resources and other information that you may want to use. But let me direct your attention here to under tutoring resources, Smart Thinking. That's a 24-hour online tutoring service. So for example, if you need assistance in learning Excel, if you're not familiar with using Excel, you could go to Smart Thinking, the online services, and they will help you. If you need assistance with doing some of the problems in this class, they will also provide tutoring service for that as well. Previous students who have taken this class and who have used the Smart Thinking have given me positive feedback on their experiences. We teach statistics in this class with Excel. Now, one of the benefits of using Excel is that the Excel program does the math, and so the amount of actual math that you will calculate in the class is limited. We will use with Excel two Excel add-ons. One is called the Data Analysis Tool Pack, and there is a link that provides information regarding how to download the Data Analysis Tool Pack into your Excel worksheet. The later versions of Excel come with the Data Analysis Tool Pack. You just have to add it onto the worksheet. And then the other add-in that we're going to use in this class is called PHStat. And later in this video, I'll show you how to download that. Let's move down to our Workshop 1 tab. And I'm clicking on that, and then I'm going to go to the Reading section. Now, in the Reading section for Workshop 1, there's a lot of information that you're going to want to review. There's instructions that are located here on how to download PhStat. There's some information on, actually, there's instructions to download the data analysis tool pack. We'll get to the PhStat in a few minutes. And then there's videos here on how to create charts in Excel and how to create a box plot using PhStat. Here's the link and downloading the or the data analysis. And there's some other PDF files that you will definitely want to review. You'll notice that all the workshops are set up the same. I have a reading section which gives you the chapters that you are to read for that particular week. There's a devotion section, there's a discussion section, a quiz section, and a drop box for your homework. And then the final drop box is for the research project. Each week you will complete a portion of your research project, and the final workshop is when the completed project is due. Again, I want to go back here to under workshop 1, the link for 1.4, the quiz. I'm going to click on that, and there's information in here. The quizzes are timed. You have 90 minutes to complete the quiz, and the quiz takes you out of the Learning Studio into Mystatlab, and you'll complete your quiz in the Mystatlab program, and your grade will be transferred into Learning Studio. Now, before you take the first quiz, you will definitely want to watch this video here, Mystatlab Study Plan, and then you'll also want to watch the video Mystatlab Quizzes. Okay. You'll find that prior to taking the quizzes, there are practice exercises that are similar to the exercises on the quiz that you can complete. And I highly encourage you to do that. I'll talk more about that shortly. As I said, all of the workshops are set up identical with the same amount of work, except when you get to workshop number 4, there's an extra homework assignment that's in workshop 4. And it's pretty self-explanatory when you get there. Now I want to go down here to the Mystatlab link. And before you get started, there's a browser check under the Mystatlab link. You'll want to run the browser check just to make sure that your browser is updated for the course. There's a link in here for a multimedia library. If we click on that link, it takes us to the various videos and other multimedia that are available in the Mystatlab that are useful and beneficial. Now, there you'll see a link here for PhStat. When you click on that link, that will take you to the download for the PhStat. And as I said, that's an add-on onto the or it's an add-on onto the Excel program. Now, under here is links to every chapter in your text. And let's just look at how these are organized. I'm clicking on chapter 1, and there is an organization of the text by the section. And for example, if we go to the first section of the text, view the multimedia e-text, that will take you into your text. But underneath there, you'll see work and study plan. And let me show you what that is. Okay, this takes us to workshop or chapter problems that are associated with that section of the text, section 1.1, that are similar to the type of problems that will be on your quiz. I'm going to click on one of these exercises to show you exactly what it looks like. So here's the problem. And let's say you were having difficulty working this problem. Now this is just for the practice problems. You could go over here on the right, for example, and view an example. So if you click on view an example, this will take you to a similar type of problem to the one that you're working on. And then you could click on continue, and it will take you step by step into solving the problem. And again, I highly encourage you to use these practice exercises prior to taking the quiz. Okay. Okay, I'll be communicating with you in this class through various ways, through videos, email, and worked out exercises that I'll send you through email that are problems that are similar to the problems that you will work on in your homework. I've added for workshop 1 into doc sharing. If we click on doc sharing, there is a link down here for various YouTube videos that I've created. I think there's about 3 or 4 of them in there that I created that are relevant to the first workshop, the first 3 chapters. And you may find those useful as well. I'm going to post into, or I have already posted by the time you view this video, my email address and my telephone number. Okay, and I want you to feel free to give me a call or contact me by email anytime you have questions. I'm here to work with you and to facilitate your successful completion of this program. If anyone has prayer requests as we go through this class, please post those, and we'll, as a class, pray for you. For the requests that you have, there is a link if you would like to talk with one of the pastors that are affiliated with Indiana Wesleyan University. There's that available for you as well. Okay, and I will be talking with you again as we go through this class. May God bless you, and I look forward to your successful completion of this class. Okay, nice to meet you all. Bye-bye.